Manufactured by Flight Dental Systems since 2008, the A12 chair package offers one of the best values in today's dental industry. All chair packages are final configured, assembled, rigorously tested, inspected, and shipped from Flight's factory in Brampton, Ontario, Canada. The standard A12 package is left-right ambidextrous and comes with an LED operating light, traditional hanging hose delivery system, and a rear assistance vacuum package with touchpad. Whether you order it with or without a cuspidor, it is fully ambidextrous. This modular left-right radius delivery system is available in 2 styles of traditional hanging hose or continental delivery system. This package is also available with Flight's 2 styles of mobile carts. Flight offers 2 LED systems. The standard LED is our torch light with hands-free no-touch on and off, and 8,000 to 30,000 lux intensity control. If you require color control or cure-safe illumination, Flight offers their Iris LED with color control from 4,200 to 6,000 Kelvin and intensity of 8,000 to 35,000 lux. For operatory light mounts, choose from chair, ceiling, wall, cabinet, or track. The A12 chair comes with memory foam in both plush stitched and ASEPSIS, non-stitched upholstery. As an option, custom colors in both vinyl and ultra leather are available. A compensating backrest and double articulating headrest, as well as the ultra-thin backrest, provides comfort for the patient and an ergonomic working environment for the practitioner. Delivery system and rear assistance touchpads provide 2 programmable positions, 1 exit and 1 last position control, as well as manual movements and light and cuspidor operation. The chair's ability to swivel 60 degrees and the extremely low seat position of 380 millimeters enables the practitioner to place the patient in the ideal position, as well as makes entry and exit easier for patients. With a 5-year limited warranty and standard parts, customers can buy with confidence knowing that they will enjoy many years of reliable use. Top material selections and suppliers are used when producing Flight Dental's equipment. The hydraulic motor and solenoids are manufactured for Flight by a leading Japanese manufacturer of dental hydraulic components. Tubing and fittings are DCI compatible and are manufactured to the highest standards in the USA. To see Flight's complete line of chair packages, ask your local dealer for Flight Dental, the best value in the industry.